Okay, I just replaced the blower motor or AC motor, which you want to call it, if it's both work for the same purpose. It's connected for the furnace or the air conditioning unit. Now, the old one, as you can see here, is the original equipment that you sometimes want to know about the wiring of the diagram, which over here indicates that red is for low, orange is for medium low, blue is for medium high, and black is for high. Then you have brown and brown, which is for your capacitor, and white is for your inline. Now, as some people have asked me that why some have yellow, well, it all depends on the manufacturer how they want to use it, but mostly it indicates the same thing when you read the diagram. On the new one that I bought, it's called Package, as you can see. Now, the over here indicates what it is. Red is for low, yellow is for medium low, blue is for medium high, black is for high, and white is for inline. Brown, white is for the capacitor, and brown is for the capacitor. It's all about lining up. Now, to make it a little easier, mostly you can match up the color, but they already indicate. Some people won't know, and they're going to say, why is one yellow on the old one and one is yellow and the other one's orange? So to make it simple that you don't get confused, it means the same thing, that the yellow is for medium low and the orange is for medium low. So what I did was, since I don't have to buy any connections really, I just use the old one. I cut this one off and placed it with the yellow one, as you can see. Then all the other colors match each other. They all match each other. Black with black, red with red, white with white. Now these brown one is to the capacitor and brown and white to the capacitor. This a little confusion because some people will tell me, oh, why yellow? What is yellow for? They get confused because they expect to see the same colors. But it means the indication of the diagram on it. So it tells you. But I just, to make it more easier, I just cut the orange and put it with the yellow, which indicates the same thing.